how to cancel PLIX order. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel PLIX order from your PLIX dashboard. So first of all, you need to open your new browser tab and search for plixlikes.com. That's the official website of PLIX order, and after that you can just go to your order history from here, and you can just log in to your account, and you can then click on the product, and you can get a option called cancel your order from your already bucket list, and you just have to simply click on the cancel order, and that's it. That's how you can cancel any order from your PLIX. And you can also do it in your Android or iOS app. So you just have to open your app from your smartphone and then go to your cart and select the product you want to cancel, and you have to just click on the product, and you will get a option called cancel your order. You just have to simply click on there and your order will be successfully cancelled. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.